Suppose you were given the expression x to the fourth minus 8x squared plus 16 and asked to figure out which answer is equivalent. Let's also suppose you have no idea how to factor this expression. No problem. Just plug in a convenient value for x, say 0, and find the value of the expression. In this case, it's pretty obvious it's 16, right? That's why I chose 0, to make the calculation as easy as possible, although in theory, any number will work. Okay, now let's circle the 16. That's your target answer. That's the number you want to get in the answer choices when you plug your value of x equals 0 into the answers. Let's start with a and plug 0 in for x. You would get 0 minus 2 squared times 0 plus 2 squared. That's negative 2 squared times 2 squared, which is 4 times 4, or 16. That does match our target answer, so put a dash next to it to show it's a candidate and move on to choice B and do the same thing. Plugging 0 in for x, you get 4 times 2 times negative 2, which is negative 16, so we can cross that out. Be sure to do so in your test booklet. Go to C, plug the 0 in for x, and you get negative 2 to the fourth, which is 16. Put a dash next to the answer since it's another candidate. Finally, choice D. Good news, it's equal to negative 4 to the fourth, which even if you don't know, is definitely greater than 16, so cross it out and don't waste time calculating that value. Okay, we have two candidate answers, so we need to try a new plug-in. Let's let x equal 1 this time. Now we plug 1 into the expression and get a new target answer. That will be 1 minus 8 plus 16, which is negative 7 plus 16, which is 9. Circle your new target answer to keep track of this new value you want to get in the answers. Let's check A. We have 1 minus 2 squared times 1 plus 2 squared, which is negative 1 squared times 3 squared. That's 1 times 9, which of course is 9. We keep A. Do not check B or D again. Once you've crossed an answer out, you never need to recheck it on a new plugin. So let's check C. 1 minus 2 to the fourth is negative 1 to the fourth, which is 1. So C is gone, and the answer is A. You can use this plug-in strategy whenever you're facing some unfamiliar algebra and you're given expressions with variables as answers. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel to get frequent tips, tricks, strategies, and tutorials on standardized tests. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.